Hello everyone, good morning. I hope all of you are good and I am also fine. So today I will take the first class of my another YouTube channel for ICSE, Data Institute ICSE and ISC. Okay, so this one is the first class of my in this channel and for ICSE. This channel is basically based for ICSE student and ISC student. Okay, so today I will start from the chapter from the subject mathematics, and chapter is indices or exponent. Okay, so the class is class 9, and this chapter is this topic is helpful for the preparation of the following exams, that is NTSC, Olympiad, school exams, board exam, UPSC, TET, SSC, CTET, NDA, JEE Foundation. Okay, so let's start. Now, if m is a positive integer, m is a positive integer, then a into a into a into a dot 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 up to m terms. Okay, up to m terms written as a to the power m, where a is called base and m is called power or exponent or indices. Okay. Now it is written as now we can read a to the power m as a power m. Okay, so I give you one example here, two examples, a into a into a into a up to 10 terms, that is we can read as a to the power 10 and 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 15 terms, that is 2 to the power 15. Okay, now the laws of indices is there. If a to the power m equal to a to the power n, then we can write a to the power m plus n, right? Now next one, the second law is a to the power m by a to the power n. We can write a to the power m minus n in that way. To give some example here, 2 to the power 5 by 2 to the power 3, we can write 2 to the power 5 minus 3, that is 2 to the power 2. In this way, the third law is if a to the power m whole to the power n. Okay, so we can write a to the power m into n. This will be multiplied. So give one example here also. That is 2 into 2 to the power 3 all to the power 5. That is 2 into 3 into 5. That is 2 to the power 15. Okay. So if a to the power m into whole to the power m, then m is multiplied with this power. That is m into n. So here I take 2 to the power 3 and whole to the power 5. That is a is here 2 and m is 3 and n is 5. So 3 into 5, that is 15. So it will be 2 to the power 15, right? Fine. Number 4, a to the power 0 equal to 1. If something power, anything power is 0, then it becomes always 1. For example, 5 to the power 0 equal to 1, 10 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Okay, anything power is always 0. So take a screenshot from that. So, the number 4 formula is a into b whole to the power m. If is in the formula a into b whole to the power m, then we can split it a to the power m into b to the power m, right? I take you one example here, 2 into 3. Suppose a is 2, b is 3, whole to m is 5. So we can write in this way also, 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 5. And if a by b whole to the power n, we can split in this way also, a to the power m by a to the power m. This one is multiplication operation and this one is division operation. And I take one example same. M is 5, A is 2 and B is 3. 2 to the power 5 by 2 to the power 3. Now if A not equal to 0 and n is a positive integer, if A not equal to 0 and n is a positive integer, so in that case we can say root over nth root of A is a to the power 1 by n. The nth root of A is a to the power 1 by n. I take one example or two example here. 3 nth root of thrice is a to the power 1 by 3 and 3 root 2 equal to 2 to the power 1 by 3. Now if a to the power m by n in this form, then we can write a to the power m into nth root of a to the power n, nth root of a to the power n. Okay, I give one example here. For any non-zero number a to the power n, we can split in this way also, 1 by a to the power minus n, and a to the power minus n we can write a to the power n. Okay, so these are the basic formulas for indices for ICSE class 9. Okay, so in this channel I will give you video lecture for all the chapter wise and topics wise. This channel belongs to ICSE students all over the India. Okay, and CBSE student may welcome, and other state students also, state board students also welcome. But this is only for ICSE and ISC students, and for other students, other Bengali community or Hindi community students or CBSE students, I have already another YouTube channel. So this channel is for only ICSE students. Okay, so now we'll do some math. So let's start the first question of this channel and class 9 also. So this is the questions, we have to solve it, evaluate it. Okay, evaluate, we have to evaluate it, right? Okay, so we can write this one, split this one. This is 9 is what? 3 square, is not it? 3 into 3 is 9, all to the power 3 by 2, and this power is it will become 1. Anything power 0 is always 1, gives 1. Then here we can write 1 by 3 to the power 3 to the power how much? 9 to the power 2. Okay, minus 1 by 2. There is one formula. Okay, if a to the power minus n by n, then we can write 1 by a to the power n by m. If there is m by n, we can write in this way also. So this one will be cancelled, since this multiplied it will be 3, and here it will be 1, and here it will become 9 to the power 2 into whole to the power minus half. Okay, right. So it will be 27 minus 3. Now it will become 9 to the power minus 1. At 27 minus 3, it will become 1 by 9, and it will become 27 minus 3, it will become 9. That is 27 minus 12, that is 15. So 15 is the correct answer. 15 is the correct answer. Then I can split this one in direct form also. 1 by 81 we can split in this also, that is 81 whole to the power 1 by 2. In this way also I can do using this formula. Using this formula I can do in this way also. Okay, so this is the first question. Take a screenshot from that. So students, our next question is like that: if 64 by 125 whole to the minus 2 by 3 divided by 1 by 256 by 625 whole to the 1 by 4 into root over 25 by cube root of how much? 64. Then we have to find out the answer. Simplify. After simplify, what I have to evaluate this one. So we can write this. That is 4 to the power 3. This will be 4 to the power 3, and this will be 5 to the power 3. Okay, minus 2 by 3. Now it will become 1 by 4 to the power 4, and we can write this one is 5 to the power 4. 125 into 5, that is 5 to the power 4, and 1 by 4. Okay, this one become root over 25 is what? 5, sir, and it will I can write 3, we can write 4 to the power 3, right? Okay, 4 by 5 whole to the power 3, and here will be minus 2 by 3, fine. And also 4 by 5 whole to the power 4, and here will be 1 by 4 into 5, here will be 4 to the power 3 by 3, is not it? It will be 3 by 3. So if this one is multiplied, this will cancel out. So 4 by 5 minus 2, it will be 1 by, it will be 4 cancel out, this 4 by 5 again, and here into this will be cancel out, it will be 4 by 5 by 4, right? Okay, so we can write this one 1 by 4 by 5 whole to the power 2, is not it? It will be 5 by 4, and it will be also 5 by 4, right? So we can, if we simplify this one, it will become 4 by 5 by 4 whole square divided by, it will become 5 by 4 whole square. So if you divide this on 5 by 4 whole square, and here also 5 by 4 whole square, so it will become only 1. So 1 is the answer, correct answer. Okay, 1 is the correct answer. So there is a mistake, I did a mistake here. Here is into and this one is divide. So divide part will be first, you have to do first. Okay, so it will become 5 by 4 whole to the power 2 divided by 5 by 4 into 5 by 4, right? So 5 by 4 divided by 5 by 4, it will be 5 by into 5 by 4, okay, and this one will be whole square. Now come here, it will be 5 by 4 into, if I cut this by this, it will be 1, so it will be 5 by 4, that is 25 by 16, that is if I divide this one to 1, 16, that is 9, 1 whole 9 by 16, okay, this one is the correct answer. So what I did mistake here, if I have to do first division, then multiplication, then subtraction, then addition, okay, that's why it becomes 1. So this is the second question. So hello students, so the third question is simplify this one, okay, we have to simplify this one. So write this question, 5 8 to the power 1 by 3, 27 whole to the power 1 by 3, third bracket 1 by 4, okay, fine. Now 5, it will be, we can write 8 into 2 to the power cube, is not it? 2 to the power cube is 8. Now we can write this one is 2 to the power 3 to the power 3 is, okay, fine. And now we can write in this way split, this one will be 2 and this will be 3, this will be 3, okay, 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 to the power 3, okay, fine. Two by 3, 2 by 3, 2 to the power 3. I give a mistake here. There will be 3. Okay, there will be 3. There will be 3, and also there will be 3. Now 1 by 4 will be 5 into 5 to the power 3, that is 1 by 4, and it will become 5 to the power 4 into 1 by 4. That means you have multiplied 4 into 1 by 4, so it will be 5 to the power 1, that is 5. So 5 is the correct answer. I just first simplify this 8, I can write 2 to the power 3, and 27 I can write, we can write 3 to the power 3. After simplifying, what becomes 2 plus 3, and here will be 2 plus 3 whole to the power 3, that is 5 to the power 3. 5 into 5 to the power 3, it means 5 to the power 4. It becomes 5 to the power 4, and 4, if I multiply this one, 4 will be cancel out, and 5 to the 1 will be left, and 5 to the 1 is 5, right? Okay. Now our fourth question is like that, given 1176 is 2 to the power p into 3 to the power q into 7 to the power half. Fine. So find the numerical values of PQR. That is, we have to from this relation, but from this equation, we have to find out the value of PQR. So how can we find it? First, we have to factorize it. You have to factorize it. Okay, we have to find out the factorization factors of this 1176. So first write 1176 equal to 2 to the power P, 3 to the power Q, 7 to the power R. Now 1176. Now factorize by 2. So is it will be 5 and 17, it will be 8 and it will be 8. Now divide by 2 again, it will become 2 and it will become 9, it will be 4. Now divide 2 again, it 1, it is only 4, it will be 7. Now divide 3, it will be 7, 4. It will be 9. So divide 7 by 7. Okay. So the factors are 2 into 2 into 2. That is 1176. We can write 2 into 2 into 2 and 3 into 7 into 7. Sorry, it will be here. We can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 7. Right. On the right side will be same. That is 3 to the power Q and 7 to the power R. Okay. Now it will become, there are 3 2's, is not it? So we can write 3 to the 2 to the power 3. This one is 3 to the power 1 and it will be 7 to the power 2. We can write in the form also. 7 to the power n. Fine. Now comparing the power in both sides. If I comparing the power in both sides, so what we will get? Here is base is same, so power will be equal, is not it? I write here one formula. If a to the power m equal to a to the power n, if a to the power m equal to a to the power n, then in that case what? In that case, if base is equal, then power will be equal. So always remember this formula. If a to the power m equal to a to the power n, so in that case, sir, if bases are equal, then power will be equal, right? So now here we can write P is 2 is 2 to the power is 3 in the left side and right side 2 to the power P is there. So P will be 3. In the left side here power of 3 is 1 and the right side power of 3 is Q. So Q will be 1. In the right side power of 7 will be, so 7 is 8 R, and the left side power of 7 is 2. So we can write R equal to 2. So these are the values, numerical values of all PQR. Okay. So take a screenshot from that. So now the next question is like that. Simplify a by a to the power m by a to the n whole to the power m plus 1 and a to the power n by a to the power l whole to the power n plus l and a to the power l by a to the power m whole to the power m plus l plus n. Okay, we have to simplify this one. So let's try. First write the question, the expression a to the power m a to the power n, so whole to the power m plus n, it will be a to the power n a to the power l whole to the power n plus l. Here will be a to the power l a to the power m whole to the power l plus m. Okay, fine. Now here I can write this in this way also. Since base are equal, we can write in this way also. No, there is a formula I already written here in the starting of the class, and we can write, if I take this one in the upper side, it will be a to the power minus m. This will be m minus l. Okay, n minus l. It will be n plus l, and it will be a to the power l minus m, and it is l plus m. Right. Now it will become m minus n, and it will become m plus n. It will become n minus l, and it will become n plus l, and it will become a to the power l minus m, and it will become l plus m. Okay, this much clear? Up to this much? Fine. Now I can use the formula a plus b into a minus b, is not it? A plus b into a minus b, it what, sir? A square minus b square, right? So I can use this here. This is a to the power m square minus n square, a to the power n square minus l square. It is a to the power l square minus m square. This a plus b into a minus b, here also a plus b into a minus b, here also a plus b into a minus b. Okay, right? So now base are all the base are equal, so we can add the powers. This one plus this one plus this one plus this one. So now look at here. This one will cancel, this one will cancel, this one will cancel. So what will left? 0. When something power is 0, that means it always remain 1. Okay, this is so interesting questions. So take a screenshot from that. So this is the first class of our channel and of class 9 also, and me also for ICSE students. So next day, in the next class we will solve the exercise 7.1, that is 7a. I will do all the questions from Selena's books. It may physics or chemistry or maths or biology. Okay, I will do from Selena books. All the Selena books questions I will solve here. First, all the formulas I will discuss. Then few examples or few questions I will solve here. Next, in the next step, I will do all the important questions of exercise. That is exercise 7a or exercise any one, A, B, C, whatever may be. Then after that, after completion of exercise A, B, C or D or E, then we will do MCQ questions of various exams came in the previous sections. Okay, we will do some questions, MCQ questions from the topics. So there will be there will be 5 to 6 classes, 6 lecture in a single chapter. If the video is long, then there will be 3 to 4 lecture, and if the video is within 30 minutes, then it will be contain more near about 4 to 5 videos or 5 to 5 lectures. This is the first lecture. Okay, if there is any confusion, then ask me. I will always with you. So thank you for watching and take care.